2025 Chevy Bel Air is pictured here. Chevrolet produced the legendary Bel Air from 1950 to 1981. To many, it represents the pinnacle of American manufacturing. The Bel Air came in many different body types, including a coupe with 2 doors and a sedan with 4 doors. Every variation had its own unique selling point. There have been rumblings that this intriguing car may be making a comeback sometime around 2025. This vehicle will have all the newest amenities, including an updated infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and maybe electric propulsion. The engines could also be electric models, hybrids using current gasoline, or even more conventional petrol engines, thanks to developments in engine technology and design. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air has a reputation for being a sumptuous vehicle, and everyone is hoping it lives up to that. Replicating classic cars like the Bel Air frequently requires a blend of contemporary design and technology with more traditional touches. Chevy is expected to use state-of-the-art automotive technology in its upcoming 2025 Bel Air model. A turbocharged 4-cylinder engine ranging from 1.5 to 2.0 liters in displacement offers a decent compromise between performance and fuel efficiency, while a more potent 6-cylinder engine, maybe with a displacement of 3.0 to 3.6 liters, offers more power. The style is reminiscent of the Bel Air automobiles from the 50s and 60s, with its sleek, rounded shapes, chrome accents, and straight edges. A massive chrome grille with integrated LED headlights and other contemporary features, probably inspired by the original design. LED headlights with a modern flair that pays homage to vintage style. Roof options abound, including a stunning convertible top and a panoramic roof, to name a few. Modern LED taillights with a vintage vibe, featuring accents like chrome or clear glass. Current media discussions have formed the basis of the topics presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created using AI techniques. Sharing what we have learned is the driving force behind this video. Our deepest hope is that this film finds a meaningful place for you.